May I seek your Lordship indulgence in mentioning item number 8, part 2. Lordship, I have taken the consent from the respondent side, so if this matter may kindly be taken up next week.
You are for the appellant.
Yes, Lordship.
On the request made by the learned counsel for the appellant, not objected to by the other side. List again in the weekly hearing list, commencing from 20 July 2026.
Much obliged.
Yes.
From admission column, item number 1.
May I please your Lordship, this matter is with regard to the suspension of the village council at
Yes.
Saibo, one village at LADC. So, my Lord, on page number 48 of my petition, this is the English translation of the
Mr. Pianpela,
suspension. Yes.
before that, you were supposed to take fresh steps
Yes,
on respondent number 4 and 6.
yes, yes,
You have not done that.
yes, that is the because my Lord, what I have to submit today is that the suspension is only for 3 months. That is starting from 6/11/2025. No extension of such suspension was done due to the
Page
interim
number?
order. Page number 48.
So it will become infructuous.
Yes, it
Forward.
becomes infructuous, yes.
You are the,
But for the petitioner,
no.
Ah.
In the village council, what are you? President? What are you?
there are
There are 3
three
petitioners.
petitioners, yes.
Yes, and what is your position? You are a village council member.
President, vice president, and treasurer, the 3 petitioners.
Okay. Saibo 1
Yes,
village
Saibo
council,
one village
correct?
council, under the LADC.
Okay. Yes, anyone for the respondents? No one.
The other side is not present today.
What is to be done?
My Lord, now this court has passed on the on 25/11/2025 the handing over of the charge to the caretaker was stayed. A stay order with regard to the handing over of charge was passed. So till today, the petitioners are functioning as the village council of the Saibo One village.
Impugn order is page 48.
Yes, page 48.
This is for how many? 3 months.
Yes, only for 3 months.
What happens after 3 months?
Due to the interim order passed by this court, the petitioners are not did not hand over the charge to the caretaker till date. They are still functioning as the village council president, vice president, and treasurer. Therefore, since the suspension is only for 3 months, no extension is done by the LADC. That is why it becomes infructuous and can be disposed of.
Okay. Please write. Office note dated 15/7/2026 indicates that petitioners have not taken fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent numbers 4 to 6. Stop. Mr. Lal Pianfela Chongthu, learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that. Aggrieved with the notification dated 6/11/2025, suspending the Saibo 1 Village Council under the Lai Autonomous District Council. Did I give you the date? Bracket annexure 11, comma, the petitioners have approached this court It has become infructuous.
Yes, Lordship.
Stop, he submits that. Did I say 3 months? He submits that the suspension of the village council was only for 3 months and extendable for a period of 1 month. Stop. He submits that more than 4 months have lapsed since then, and therefore the matter has become infructuous. Stop. He submits that the petitioners are the president,
Vice President and
vice
Treasurer.
president, and secretary
Treasurer.
or treasurer.
Yes.
President, vice president, and treasurer of the village council. And in fact, this court, white order dated 25/11/2025, had passed an interim order to the effect that the handing over of the charge to the caretaker should not be done. Stop. In other words, the handing over of charge was stayed. Stop. The learned counsel therefore submits that the petitioners are functioning as the president, vice president, and treasurer in view of the interim order. Next para, Mr.
R. Lalmun Siyama.
R. Lalmun Siyama, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent numbers
1 to 3.
1 to 3. Also submits that the suspension of the village council has not been extended after issuance of the impugn notification dated 6/11/2025. And in view of the stay order, the petitioners are functioning. In their respective capacity in the village council concerned. Stop. Next para, considering the above submission, it appears that the writ petition has become infructuous as submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Accordingly, the same is disposed of as infructuous.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, this is an appeal from the District Council Court's order of 15th of December 2025. So now, Lordship, as per the appeal, Lordship, the appellant borrowed an amount of rupees 2 lakhs from the respondent. Out of 2 lakhs, 50,000 rupees has been given back to the respondent. Now the remaining 1.5 lakhs is remaining. Now, as per the District Council Court's order, the appellant was supposed to pay at the interest rate of 10% per month. Now, being excessive, Lordship, we have made a proposal for an amicable settlement. So I've given a copy to the respondent as well.
So,
Yes, I have contacted my client and she had agreed to the settlement proposals proposed by the appellant, my lord.
okay.
That is 8.10% per annum.
So you submit your agreement for settlement.
No, my lords, the proposal has been submitted by the appellant. So I was directed to,
Correct, correct. So if your client has accepted it, both of you sign, both the clients should sign it.
well, lords, she is living in a far-flung area, CADC area. She had instructed me to phone call, my lords. To phone call.
What did she instruct you?
This is the proposal. She had agreed to the.
She has agreed with the proposal.
Yes.
So where is the proposal? The proposal is not before me.
Lordship, I've
In the last occasion, it was submitted by the appellant.
I just made a small copy, Lordship, added by the title proposal for amicable settlement.
It is purely between the petitioner, appellant and the respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
Sole respondent.
Sole respondent.
Yes, my lord.
However, Lordship, I would like to mention one thing is that out of the 1.5 remaining, 30,000 has been deducted from his account, from the appellant's account. So the remaining is 1.22 lakhs. That is excluding the interest, Lordship.
What was the dispute otherwise?
Lordship, the main dispute was that the appellant's brother had borrowed an amount from the sole respondent. And now, Lordship, as per the agreement, it was supposed to be 10% per month. Now, being excessive, 10% per month, which amounts to 120% per annum. So, being excessive, we came before this honorable court for making a proposal of 10%.
No. Appellant had borrowed
Appellant had borrowed.
money from the
His brother
respondent.
had borrowed, Lordship. For his brother, the appellant's brother had borrowed it in
From the
favor of-
respondent.
from the respondent.
How much?
2 lakhs, Lordship.
And what was the condition?
Now, the condition was it's supposed to be repaid by with an amount of 2 lakhs for 10% per month, Lordship. I can.
No, repaid back within how many, what duration?
There is no any duration mentioned, Lordship.
So he'll repay only whenever he wants.
Lordship, if I may kindly take your Lordship to the order passed by this by the District Council Court, which is in page number 22, annexure number 1. Now, the relevant part is from page number 22A, paragraph number 8. If I may go to Lordship. Order. Now, therefore, this honorable court, taking into consideration of the above statements adduced by the parties and the witnesses, and based on the evidences produced before the honorable court, such as the money receipts by the learned counsels for the respondent, proved that the sum of rupees 2 lakhs received and borrowed by Mr. Bimal Chakma were interest money at the rate of 10% per month and were actually borrowed absolutely for the purpose and the interest of Mr. Onishmoy Chakma. After calculation, the amounts came more than rupees 7 lakhs, including the period of litigation. Hence, the Honorable Court, considering the financial constraint of the petitioner, Mr. Onishmoy Chakma, he is hereby directed to pay a lump sum amount of rupees 5 lakhs in total, excluding 50,000, the amount which was already paid to the respondent within a period of 3 months from the date of this judgment. If any of the parties is not satisfied with the judgment and may appeal before the Honorable Court, such and such lordship. This is the relevant
Amount
part.
borrowed is 2 lakhs.
Yes.
What is the logic behind that? Now it has become 7 lakhs. How it has become 7
So
lakhs?
basically, the amount has been calculated with 10% per month, lordship.
So how many months?
So it has been since 2023, lordship.
So he has to pay lump sum 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs, that is the order, lordship.
5.5 lakhs, I think.
5 lakhs, lordship.
5.5.
5 lakhs, lordship. 5 lakhs.
It says excluding 50,000,
Yes, which has
the
already
amount which is already paid.
Yes, lordship.
You have paid already 50,000. Now
Yes.
you have to pay another 5 lakhs.
Yes.
Total, you are paying 5.5.
Yes, Lordship, basically that is the,
Is it not?
yes.
So against that, you've come in appeal.
Yes, we have come in appeal for that, Lordship.
And now what is your proposal?
Now proposal is that, Lordship, we do accept that we have borrowed 2 lakhs, Lordship, and out of which 50,000 has been given back. And now since the remaining during the filing of the appeal was 1.5 lakhs, so we made a proposal to the respondents of paying back the remaining 1.5 lakhs with 8% per month, per annum interest, Lordship. And now,
1.5.
yes, 1.5.
Parties will have to sign. In fact, this is just a piece of paper
Yes,
proposal.
Lordship, I agree.
You have to give, this is my proposal, and the other side has said, I agree. Then we incorporate it in the order and dispose it off. Otherwise, how do we dispose it off? This is just a proposal.
Yes, Lordship.
Tomorrow, the respondent will come that I have never agreed. Then what will happen? There'll be chaos.
I agree, Lordship. So, Lordship, it's just my humble opinion. My understanding is the Lordship, since the counsel for the respondent is here, and since they accept the proposal which we have proposed. So, Lordship, if this honorable court may pass an order, Lordship, by saying that the remaining 1.5, which is
No. It doesn't work that way. You see, you bring your proposal, a agreed, you give your proposal, and you give your agreement to that,
yes, Lordship.
signature to that. On that basis, we pass the order.
Lordship.
Not like on a draft proposal like
Yes,
that. How do we pass an order on a draft proposal?
Okay.
What is your good name, Mr.
S. Vanlal Shriyata.
S. Vanal Shriyata? Mr. S. Vanal Shriyata, learned counsel for the sole respondent, submits that he has been instructed by his client that she or he,
C.
she is agreeable to the proposal made by the appellant with regard to the repayment of loan. Stop. If that be so, the parties would have to submit a formal agreement for settlement of the case between them. As prayed for, parties are granted. When will you submit?
Lordship, we can submit it by next week, 22nd or 23rd, Lordship.
Okay, my lords.
List again on 23rd?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. Next.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I'm here for the petitioner from item number 3 to 7. On the last occasion, my Lordship, the private respondent had told us that the petition copy is not legible to them. That is why I will be submitting submitting the proper copy, which is legible. I will,
What is not legible? The writ petition.
yes, Lordship.
My lord, we will serve illegible copies,
Writ petition.
including the annexures.
Including
Writ petition means that everything.
Yes, my lord.
also, Lordship, yesterday they told us that the item number 6 and 7 also, it is also not legible to them. So if in 2 days time we will serve them legible copies.
3 to 7, all of them.
No. They are in item number 3 and
6 and 7.
and 6 and 7.
3,
3, 6 and 7.
these are not legible.
Yes.
Annexures.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship. Also, Lordship, in item number 4 and 5, on the last occasion, there were private respondents were represented by some advocates, and they said that they will file their wakalatnama in 1 week's time. But their name is not reflected in the cause list, so I'm guessing that they have not yet filed their wakalatnama. That is why I think they are not here also, today also.
We'll see. Let us settle this 3, 4, 3, 6 and 7 first, okay?
Okay, Lordship.
We'll give within 2 days.
Yes, Lordship.
Your good name, please?
In 3, the item number 3, I will submit them today. Item number 3 petition I have brought with me. the writ petitions.
Then what about 6 and 7?
6 and 7, I got to know about it yesterday only. So in 2 days' time, I will serve them the copy.
2 days time for all these 3, 6 and 7.
6 and 7.
3 you'll serve
3
today.
I'll serve today.
Okay, Miss
P. Surgyari.
Swargyari.
Yes, Lordship.
Is the correct pronunciation?
Yes.
Ms. P. Swargyari, learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that she will be furnishing the legible copy of the writ petition to both government and as well as private.
No, government I have already served.
Okay. Government is legible. Your copy is legible.
No, Your Lordship, it is not.
Lordship, they did not inform us about that.
Make photocopies and serve what is there.
Okay, Lordship, then give us 2 days.
We will
time.
serve legible copies of the writ petition to the private respondent as well as to the state government through their respective councils within 2 days. When do you list it? List the matter?
Lordship, on 14th August.
List the matter on 14th August 2026 as paid for. Respondents to file their counter affidavit in the meantime. This order will go in item 3. Yes, government, anything to say?
Your Lordship, in these items, we seek time for filing our affidavit,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Miss, please write P. Swargyari, learned counsel, appears for the petitioners and submits that the private respondent numbers 3 to 9 were represented on the last occasion by Miss Malsom Sangzeli, learned counsel, who undertook to file her power within 1 week. Stop. However, it appears that the power has not been filed. Stop. Ms. Louis, learned government advocate, appears for the state respondents and prays for time for filing counter affidavit. In view of above, list the matter on 14th of August 2026. Respondents to file their counter affidavit in the meantime. If the respondent numbers 3 to 9 remain unrepresented, court may consider passing appropriate order on that day. This will be in item 4 and 5. Correct?
Lordship?
4 and 5.
Yes.
Item number 8.
May it please Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the state respondents number 1 to 4. This is the third time the matter has been listed. Your Lordship, we are yet to receive our instructions. If I may be granted another 3 weeks' time to file the necessary affidavit.
You have received?
No, Your Lordship, we have
Not yet.
received.
Ms. Lal Nunloi, learned government advocate, submits that she has not received the paravised comments and therefore she prays for 3 weeks' time to receive instructions and to file counter affidavit.
Similar period for respondent number 5.
Similarly, Ms. Aram Sangpi, learned CGC, appearing for respondent number 5, prays for time for filing counter affidavit. Praise allowed. List again after 3 weeks.
If I may, my lord, if I may, my lord, may I apprise the court that the hardships that has been faced by the petitioner enterprise is on the verge of shutdown due to the unpaid dues that is remaining. So if lordship may kindly allow the matter to be fixed on a specific date so that to ensure compliance on that day. Though the matter is quite recent, I understand, but the hardship is that has been faced, my lord.
We'll have to wait. See, they have to give a reply.
Yes.
You want a date? I'll give you a date. List again. 3 weeks means we'll have it on today's 17th, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. We'll have it on the 11th of August. List again on 11th of August.
I'm obliged.
Remaining part 2. Come on. List after 2 weeks. They make all of them.